Yo, what's good everybody? It's me, Connor, back here with another video. And in today's video, we got sent a package. If you can read that, that says KSP Performance. They were so kindly to send me out their new forged upper control arms. So you go down below in the description and use that link and you will get 10% off your entire purchase, no matter what you purchase. If you buy these new forged upper control arms, if you buy spike lug nuts, if you buy their wheel spacers, if you buy anything, using that link down below in the description, you will get 10% off your entire order. So let's get back to unboxing this. It has some very nice thick cardboard. Pop it open. Pop some thick, nice styrofoam holding the brand new forged aluminum upper control arms. Comes with this awesome KSP little booklet where you get the instructions on how to install it, and you also get these 6 stickers if you want to put them on. You guys ready? These are the brand new forged aluminum KSP upper control arms. These things feel high quality as hell. Up here you have 2 places for grease fittings that they also come with, and they come with polyurethane bushings, not regular bushings. Polyurethane bushings are so much better than rubber bushings. Then here's your little piece of foam that it comes in, all nice and protected. Then you got the second one right here, same thing as well. These ball joints, these are some nice ball joints. They are replaceable if you do need to replace them, which you shouldn't have to very often. All the fittings that go inside the polyurethane bushings and the nuts that go on the bottom. And then these are the caps that go over top of here. And these things look sick. Let me pull it out of the packaging and show you guys. Just look at that. Just look how clean these things are. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, these are forged upper control arms, so they are strong. I am going to be getting these powder coated when the new lift does come in. So the installation of these polyurethane bushings are as easy as this. Pop one in one side, pop one in the other side. Make sure they're squished in. Do the same thing on this side. Push it right in. Push it right in. And then come in here, rip this open. It does come with grease, which is very nice. That is very useful to slide these into here. So all you're gonna do is rip open your grease. Put a little bit on. And you're gonna slide it in. Would probably be easier with a mallet, but it's not necessarily needed. And you can just push in just like this. Easy as that. Make sure it's flush. You just take this one, do the same thing, put the grease on it. This doesn't just help you slide it in, it also greases when these go up and down while connected inside your truck. They push right in. Do need to use a little bit of force, but it's nothing horrible. especially not with the grease. The grease makes it a lot easier. Those are the bushings installed, and you just take your little grease fittings, screw them right into the top. Then you can tighten them with a wrench later when you have one. Pop the cap off of this, make sure these threads are clean. Right on. And it is a lock nut, so it will lock in. Now the first step to any install is you gotta jack up the truck. So line it up, jack up the truck. Jack up the truck. Get your wheels off the ground. Now this part will all depend on what kind of wheels or rims you have, however you want to say it, wheels or rims. But I have to start by taking off my wheel caps, which is just 2 Allen keys. We lay that in the grass. Lay on there with it. There we go. I knew I wasn't tripping. Three. This is a big ass fucking wheel. These 40-inch tires are no fucking joke. So now the next step would be to disconnect this 22 millimeter nut. You'll probably do it faster. This will definitely be faster with a impact. I just don't know where my 22 millimeter socket is. So in this video we're gonna have to go old school. And I don't know where my 22 millimeter ratcheting wrench is, which would have also made this so much simpler. The next step is we're gonna be taking this bolt out right here and this bolt out right here. Now this should just slide right out. Unscrew this, pop these out. And like I said before, these are also KSP auto upper control arms. And you saw how bad the angle was, and they still lasted. But trust me, the angle's not gonna be that bad when I get the new lift in. Now, I'll just take the new, push them in. They are now both in. I gotta unbolt this, push you up, over, and down, just like so. Easy enough. Thread this right back on. Tighten you up, and when I do find my 22 millimeter, I am going to tighten it with an impact. So these are what they look like right here. They look sick in my opinion. When I get them powder coated, I'm gonna do these black, and I'm gonna do the KSP Performance blue. But they look sick. And it is as simple as that. Now we just got to do the other side. Yes, I know I started when it was daytime, but it is daylight saving, so it gets dark here at 5:30, and I started at 5. And I stopped a bunch of times to talk to my neighbors, and they were asking me questions about them. So it does only take a short amount of time. Now let's get to the other side. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Now we got to take this side off. We got to do the same thing we did on the other side. Take off the tire first. I have the truck on right now so the battery doesn't die, because I have a lot of lighting on this truck. This passenger side is going to be a lot easier because you see there's not a lot of stuff in the way like the driver's side. Pop it out. Pop you out. Take the new upper control arm. Slide it right in. Right where it's supposed to go. That's because there's not as much stuff in the way.
I'm in my car. I was talking to Connor. He's taping. He's taping himself out.
Tighten this up. now, just like that, told you it was going to be quick. The passenger side is done. And this is always the most fun part about putting 40-inch tires back on. But I kind of got the hang of it. I kind of learned how to do it. Line this bottom one up. These tires are like almost 200 pounds of tire. Line it up. Just like that. And they are fully installed. Now we just got to drop this. And they're installed. And they look fucking great in my opinion. I can't wait to get them powder coated.
So it was probably very hard to see them last night because the light shining on them and them reflecting, but that's what they look like right now. We did just go on a test drive and they are so worth it. They make the ride so smooth. I never knew upper control arms can make a ride smooth, but they do. Even on this big ass thing, it makes the ride very smooth. So make sure you go click that link down below in the description and get 10% off your entire purchase, no matter if you purchase these upper control arms, other upper control arms, their spike lug nuts, their wheel spacers, their leveling kits. No matter what it is, use that link down below in the description. Get 10% off your entire order. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that post notifications button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.